Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all again to a new session. Did you enjoy the previous lessons? Did you complete the homeworks that I recommended you to do? I do believe that you have done all the tasks regularly which are asked to do by your teachers of all subjects online. Do you remember what was our last session about? Yes, it was Unit 19, an article on the Liberation War Museum, which was published in a magazine. The name of the magazine is Sunshine Magazine, and the article was written by a student of class 5. The Liberation War Museum is in Shere Banglanagar, Agarga, Dhaka. Now let's start our today's session. It is Unit 20. The name of the chapter is Life is Beautiful, page 78 to 81. After reading this unit, you will come to know about a girl who is visually impaired but self-dependent, and she overcomes her all shortcomings. You can also know some new vocabularies such as visually impaired, that means blind. It's a good word to say blind. Instead of blind, we can say visually impaired or short-sighted. Braille, autobiography. Now, let's know what is Braille. Braille, a script with raised dots by which a blind person can read. It's invented by Louis Braille, a French educator. Look at here, the Braille system. There are some dots. The blind person can touch the dots with the fingers and can read easily. And you know, Louis Braille was also blind. He became blind due to an early childhood accident. But he was a successful man. He served as a professor at the Royal Institute of Blind Youth in France. Autobiography. An autobiography is a self-written story of the life of oneself. Here are some of the list of famous autobiographies. You can collect the books and you can read in your leisure time. So the names are The Story of My Life by Helen Keller. You know, she is also blind. She became blind due to her childhood sickness. She became permanently blind and deaf, but she was also successful. The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. So now today's unit, it is Unit 20. This is our last chapter of the half-yearly exam syllabus. The name of the chapter is Life is Beautiful. Really, life is beautiful if you can make it so. Here in this chapter, the story is told about a girl which is blind, and her name is Maria. She is normal like us. She can go to school, she learns her lesson, she has friends, she is very much talented. Her teachers like her. She reads by the use of Braille. She hopes to go to university. See how hopeful she is. She wants to set up a school of her own. She wants to teach others, and she wants to write her own feelings and experience in a book. This is called autobiography, and she wants to show other impaired person that they can do amazing things in their lives. They are not burden for the society. They are normal human being like us. That's why we should respect everybody. All handicapped people or visually impaired or hearing impaired, everybody deserve respect from us. We should not humiliate or underestimate anybody. So there are the questions. Why does Maria want to set up a school? What kind of book does Maria want to write? Why does she want to write this book? These are the questions related to the unit. Here, the next page, you can see there on the top of the page there is a table, and the name of the words are some of the name of profession: business person, farmer, computer engineer, pilot, doctor, teacher, and the blanks are here. So number A, 1, A dash works in a school. Children learn how to read and write from this person. So what will the blanks? Yes, a teacher. A dash studies computer science and can fix computers. What will be the blank word? Computer engineer. So you will easily identify all the blanks word. You can complete the blanks. These are the names of some professions. So here exercise G and H. Here you can choose, and it is talked about that what type of profession you want to choose and how you can serve the nation. So today's homework will be write a short composition on a visually impaired person, about 80 to 100 words in your HW copy. Here are some clues which help you to develop your composition. How do you know the person, or who is the person? How is the person as a human being? How does she or he do his or her daily activities? How is she or he different or similar with others? Does the person influence you? How? So let's recap our class. At first you will read the chapter unit 20 and then answer the questions. After that you will write a paragraph on a visually impaired person, and remember the new vocabularies also. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.